Local Chief Executive of the Year, Honorable Salvador G. Escalante Jr. The leadership of Mayor Salvador G. Escalante Jr. laid the groundwork for the progressive and sustainable development of Cadiz City. It provided a decent standard of living for every Cadiznon through more efficient delivery of basic services and economic progressions. Mayor Escalante is committed to the development of the city through investments in infrastructure. Better roads and buildings lead to improved access to services like health, education, tourism, and business. When COVID-19 struck, the mayor has put all systems in place by organizing a local interagency task force. Thus, the chief executive decision and implementations have been aligned to relevant national and local policies and regulations. On public health services, the city's chief executive believes in the dictum, "Health is wealth," touching the lives of the people of Cadiz by providing medical services through programs on primary health care, such as establishing of vaccination centers, vaccination manpower deployment, immunization, maternal and child health, pediatric, medical and surgical care, nutrition, family planning, cleanliness and sanitation, and other similar initiatives for a healthy community. During the National COVID-19 Vaccination Days, Cadiz City ranked as number 1 among the 33 local government units in Negros Occidental to conduct the massive vaccination drive with a total of 24,954 vaccinated individuals, attaining 66.80% of the target. On infrastructure and sustainable development, all roads goes to Cadiz. Infrastructures that were built such as Cadiz City Arena, City Port, Commercial Complex, Cadiz Food Court, City Disaster Risk Reduction Center, Birthing Center, and Cadiz City Park provided effective and efficient service to Cadiznons as well as safe space. Southeast Asia's largest solar farm is also situated in Cadiz City. This solar farm produces a total output of 132 megawatts and provided almost half of the energy needs for the province of Negros Occidental through the 425,000 solar panels installed across 170 hectares of land. Agriculture and food security. To make Cadiz a gateway and premier center for agri-fishery resources in Negros, the good mayor has undertaken various agricultural programs such as food production security, farm-to-market roads, environmental sustainability, and reinvigorating rural economic opportunities. These programs were achieved through collaboration and partnership with the various stakeholders, both with the public and private sectors. Cadiz City is now gearing towards an ambitious effort to achieve a new vision through a revolutionary approach in its agricultural programs. Tourism. Mayor Salvador G. Escalante Jr. aims to put Cadiz City on the map as a prominent tourist and investment destination. The Dinagsa Festival is now a famous tourist attraction. Travelers flock to have a glimpse of the festivity and to enjoy the fun and excitement that it brings. The city has upgraded its programs on tourism by promoting the city's majestic tourist spots, such as its stunning beaches, great mountains, and breathtaking waterfalls. And the people's warm hospitality all make Cadiz a place to go. Education. The COVID-19 pandemic brought a great challenge in bringing quality education to the students. Facing this insurmountable odd, the mayor was in constant coordination with the Department of Education and the Commission of Higher Education and extends all the necessary support so that the students are not left behind. Efforts were geared towards the enhancement of the intellectual capabilities of school learners and academic competencies of teachers. The pursuit of intellectual empowerment is exemplified in the extension of secondary schools in all barangays of Cadiz City, A city-owned radio station was established and used by teachers as a facility to help boost and to connect pupils and students for a good and quality education during this pandemic. Mayor Escalante balances by ensuring that the students are learning and safe as well. Environmental management. The full implementation of Republic Act 9003, Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, the pursuit of a balanced ecosystem for Cadiz City prompted the local government to undertake several advocacies and education programs on sound solid waste management practices. These measures coincided with the establishment of the advanced sanitary landfill and material recovery facilities in every barangay. With this, Cadiz City aims for zero waste with the operation of the advanced sanitary landfill. City Disasters Risk Reduction Management. A comprehensive, integrated, and inclusive disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation plan was created to further strengthen the capacity of the city to address the purported risk to natural hazards and climate change. Electronic Business Permit Licensing Service. The City of Cadiz adopts electronic business permit licensing service to make it more business-friendly and gives ease and convenience to the taxpayers. In consonance with Republic Act No. 11032, an act promoting ease of doing business and efficient delivery of government services. Peace and order. Cadiz City has always been a safe place to live in. The administration of Mayor Escalante supports peace and order programs of the PNP. Police visibilities, quick responses, and crime preventions were among the programs that the police had undertaken. The creation of various community-based linkages, peacekeeping organizations, and other accredited people's organizations were created to help in the peacekeeping.
From Cadiz City, Negros Occidental, we have Mayor Salvador G. Escalante Jr.
I know your timely recognition will mean a lot to us local chief executive. For together with my fellow awardees, may this award be our new benchmark that will serve as our springboard towards new, sustainable, and higher goals. Let us be reminded that as we go along, we continue to pray to our good Lord for protection and guidance. As Cadiz City continues to host the 132 megawatts of renewable solar energy, the biggest in Asia and number 7 in the world. And to the proud people of the city of Cadiz, I, your mayor, together with your working team, humbly dedicate this award to all of you. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang siyudad ng Cadiz.